Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President, Florida Suncoast. Hope you're well. A little rainy weekend. Shooting the video here on Monday morning with a lot going on. I just looked at the calendar of events coming up for August. Holy mackerel! There are 15 events when you count everything. 10 events for Florida Suncoast and 5 more events that will pass along that information for us. So 15 events, almost an event every other day as an average. That's just amazing. So let me just jump right into it when we come up on August 1st. That's going to be Saturday, August 1st is Sarasota Cars and Coffee. I'll be there. Hope you will. Come on up and join us. And we'll have a good time on Saturday morning. And those that want to hang around, typically there's a breakfast venture somewhere just after that. Sunday, August the 2nd is the FSC ZSCCA Punta Gorda Port Charlotte breakfast. On the 8th is the August Lakeland Cars and Coffee. Damien's anchoring that one out there in Lakeland at Fields BMW. You got to check that out if you're out on that side of town and that's you want to go do that. That's really just a neat Cars and Coffee to do that. I enjoy seeing that and being there. I was there last month. On the 8th also, we have the FSC ZSCCA. This is a drive event. It's the Mystery Fun Drive. We don't know where we're going, but we know where we're going to end up. We're going out to the Pioneer Restaurant, cash only now, but this old time menu, handwritten out on notebook paper. I just love it. The service is great. The food is amazing. The parking lot will hold all of us. So if you want to come and do the fun drive, come on out and join us on Saturday, August the 8th. And I think those folks that are going to the Lakeland Cars and Coffee can come and join us as well. There is an after drive after Pioneer, and we're going to go down to somewhere, all the curvy roads down close to the just south of Sebring and the Lake Placid area. All that drive through. On Tuesday, August the 11th, we have the St. Pete Clearwater meeting with Al and Gene, and there's always a great place. They pick out just neat places restaurants to meet there in St. Pete Clearwater area. On the 15th of August, we have the Fort Myers Cape Coral Cars and Coffee there at Fort Myers BMW. And on the 20th, we have the Sarasota meeting, the FSC ZSCCA meeting and lunch. But let me scroll down real quick and pick up the other 5 non-FSC events. August 1st is the Southwood Cars and Coffee. August 1st is the Gainesville Cars and Coffee at Tioga Town Center. Mary Beth anchors that one. On the 8th also is the Jacksonville Caffeine and Octane. And I know Kebblecore anchors that, but Gary and all the folks, Al, show up for that one. That's a huge thing out there at the Americas Mall. And then on Sunday, August the 9th is the August Gainesville Cars and Coffee. So plenty to do, plenty more to do and see. Be sure you check our website. Please RSVP if you don't mind. And just one last thing, for those Z drivers, Z folks that have the Z specific radios, thanks to Rich and Erwin doing some homework, we now know how to calibrate those radios to match up with the FSC radios. So you don't have to carry 2 different radios. You can just change to a different channel, a different setting. And FSC radios and the Z radios will now talk to each other, which is really cool to be able to do that. And so thanks to Rich and Erwin investing the time and energy to learn the technology and the shift there. So it's a lot of fun. We'll be using those radios as we head up to the mountains in North Carolina coming October. We have just a few places left. We're getting ready to send out the information this week to those folks that have RSVP for that event as we start honing in on the planning stages and the travel stages and those kind of things. So we met last night with Erwin and we laid out our trails. We're avoiding the tail of the dragon this year because of the crowds that it's generating, but we have some roads that I think you are going to be amazed by and just really going to be a great drive. Very scenic, and pick ops we'll have a lot of picture options this time on some of these different drives. So come join us. We'll have a blast this year. By the way, Continental Tire will be sponsoring one of our dinners there and giving away a set of tires specifically to your vehicle. So thanks to Continental for stepping up and sponsoring one of our events this year. We'll do that at the October Mountain Drive 5.0. So if you haven't RSVP'd, you need to get in on that. We're getting ready to close that registration and start focusing in. If you think about it, here we are, we're only about August, September, October, we're only about 90 days away from that. So be a lot of fun. Until then, come on, get off that sofa. I know it's wet, but come on, get out. You can wax the car later. Until then, happy motoring, y'all. See you soon. Thanks.